Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your subscription and device are ready. Pair the keyboard and mouse to your mobile OS via Bluetooth or wired adapter, then launch the Xbox app or supported browser and sign in. Once done, start a cloud gaming session and keep the controller prompt visible briefly. This tells the stream you're active. Make sure the keyboard is unpaired from other devices so it connects reliably to your phone. This sets the stage to map inputs cleanly and avoid lag. You now map inputs and tune sensitivity. If the Xbox app offers pointer mode, enable it, otherwise rely on your OS cursor support. Assign common keys for movement, sprint, and menus, WASD, Shift, ESC, so controls feel native. Adjust mouse DPI in your peripheral app or lower sensitivity in-game to prevent overshooting. Once done, enter a safe area in the game to test strafing, aiming, and hotkeys. Make incremental tweaks. Until motion and targeting, you finish by locking settings and confirming stability. Turn off auto-sleep and lock orientation so the session won't be interrupted, and save your key mappings where possible. If you hit input lag, make sure you're on a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or switch to wired internet. Lowering stream quality also reduces latency. If keys or the cursor stop working, repair the devices, restart the Xbox app, and reconnect the session. That usually restores full keyboard and mouse functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.